The Quell Solo booth offers an ergonomic, comfortable and convenient space for when you want to take or make a confidential phone call or just do some light task work in a secure, quiet environment. This booth comes in two configurations. The first with a static work desk and a height adjustable stool. The second, an electronic height adjustable desk with 3 programmable settings. The electronic height adjustable desk option and a height adjustable stool gives you the opportunity to work in a sit-stand environment. So whether sitting, perching or standing, your well-being is taken care of. When entering the Quell Solo booth, the PIR system will automatically turn on the light, the power and the turbo fan. The turbo fan circulates the air with a refresh rate every 40 seconds, giving you a clean, cool working environment. The technology within the Quell Solo offers you power via 240-volt socket, 1 USB, 1 USB-C, and a Bluetooth module. With the Solo booth, we can also provide additional features, such as an iPad stand, which you can see in this model. The Quell Solo Pod is available in 6 exterior colours. The external frame of the Quell Solo booth is manufactured from aviation-grade aluminium, and the tempered safety glass to the front, the door and the rear sections reduces outside noise by up to 30 decibels. The aluminium frame itself is 100% recyclable, and overall the product has 90% recyclability.